In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download a single contact's data straight from your HubSpot CRM and retrieve the file from your email. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account as you normally would. If your workspace uses two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. You'll need the right permissions to export data, so if you don't see the options I mention later, check with your HubSpot admin. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar to reveal the main navigation and locate the CRM section. From there, click Contacts. This takes you to your Contacts Index page, where you can see everyone in your database. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific contact you want to export. Click the contact's name to open their record. You're now on the individual contact page, where you can see activities, properties, and timelines. Look toward the top of the page for the Actions menu. It's typically in the upper area of the contact record. Click Actions to open the dropdown. In that dropdown, choose Export Contact Data. This is the built-in way to export a single contact's information for things like audits, portability requests, or backup records. After selecting it, a brief confirmation or modal may appear. Click Export to proceed. HubSpot will prepare the file for you in the background. The export usually contains key properties and activity details and is delivered via a link sent to your email. Depending on your settings, it may be a CSV file, sometimes packaged in a zip. Next, head to your email inbox. If you use Gmail, open it and look for a new message from HubSpot about your export. If you don't see it right away, check your Spam, Junk, or Promotions tab, and give it a minute to arrive. Open the message and find the download link labeled something like Download Contact Data. Click the download link to retrieve the file. Your browser will save it to your default Downloads folder. If the file is zipped, unzip it before opening. Keep this file secure, especially if it includes sensitive information, and store it where your team expects to find approved exports. And that's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, navigated to CRM Contacts, opened the contact, used the Actions menu to export, confirmed the export, then grabbed the download from your email. Simple, fast, and reliable.